Ishoma Tonto Dike ex-husband Mercy Aigbe ex-husband. Because Ishoma, oh, since 3 weeks now, they use a everywhere, anywhere you go, now their matter. But to me, she better say the Tonto Dike ex-husband and Mercy Aigbe ex-husband. They want to join the matter. Where we dey here? Because as I dey see all those, so better say the love story go even reach 100 season. Even say na 100 or 50, we dey here, we go help them settle the matter wey dey. Thank you to all my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for the like, for the love you guys show on me. And if you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just press that notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support you guys show on me on this my channel. God bless you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Una know say some days now be some weeks now wey I say Tonto Dike, I no mind me. Ishoma and the lover boy, they no dey wey the rumors just dey go. And na true say they no dey again. But now wetin just cause the mate is that because of the Ishoma get belle for Davido. Because of that one, na bring the problem. But now in papa, the oga patapata of them all don't settle the matter now. Don't call it pikin and Ishoma say make they settle wetin they go on. So like this one because they rumors even they say November this year they go marry, but we never know. They never fix the date, but they just talk and say they go marry. Well, if they marry, na good thing for them. If they not still marry, we still dey here all of I know say wey Davido some weeks early this month wey Davido come even unfollow people wey dey follow am for Instagram, come even remove whether he block them abi he remove them. I don't know how to take do that one. He can't even nobody even the both Ishoma self the love of her in life. He just remove everybody both in own pikin wey Davido even born self. Now the papa of Davido don settle the matter now. So say make Ishoma come back home to the mansion wey Davido just build. Where Ishoma, may you listen to your future father-in-law. Listen to am, may you go back home. Wetin you do now? Because we all know say you see for my own opinion, because me know say things dey there because person never even marry now. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, they settle their matter. They settle the matter. What if they can't even marry? Now be say now the Okagbe of the village now will come settle the matter, or even the president of the country where may not be their portion. If they still marry, maybe I believe say now this last one I go be their last quarrel. May they not quarrel again, so that may they carry their head come down, because two of them they be young couple, their boyfriend and girlfriend, and so their matter now, so they be sometimes some their television no dey dey clear where. Now so my people, well, because the love story don't even dey long, e can't even reach season 10, season 20. For me, shall make una not let am pass this season something, because if not, people can't even tire of una. Even some days ago, Davido and in best friend Cubana, they can't even go river, go swim. Now be the something. Well, my people, I go see how the Mercy just Mercy Aigbe and Tonto Dike ex-husband matter join this very one, because now 3 of them end this matter just consigned today, because Father Day people celebrate Father Day. Now Mercy Johnson, I say, I don't know why Mercy Johnson, they already enter my mouth. So Mercy Aigbe and Tonto DK, we all know say they be single mothers. They can't even celebrate their self as they celebrate Father Day. I even come and talk about the matter. If you go back to my video, you'll see the video for there. Not be Tonto DK ex-husband come right put for in ID page say where my people I screenshot everything. So I go read the one way Tonto DK ex-husband right. He say happy Father's Day to all the father in the world. A father is a father representative of marital challenge. A father is not only by way of giving birth to a child, but by way of taking care of children around you and children around the world who are in need. I pray for all the fathers in the world that your children will not be used as tool of jealous because of broken relationship like it is done in the old era. As I celebrate this day, I pray this will not be the era when single parenting ends up affecting a child. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone. Okay, children mentality hereby confuse them. This is a new era and things have changed. Relax, you will reconnect with your child at the right time. You are a father and we are father. I am a father. Happy Father's Day. Where Tonto DK ex-husband gone to all those days where they'll say children they'll go look for their parents. Now you know they go. You know yours the children of nowadays. Now who take care of them? Where they say who take care of them? Now they call their papa or their mama. You know me say now you born the one where you just take care of them. Say maybe the time where they need something, the person they there. Now that one I be the reaper. Now that one they call papa. Gone to all those days where they'll say, if my pikin don't grow, you look for me. Now lie, they don't they look for anything nowadays. Lie, they don't they look for. You say sometimes you say even say I not take off the pikin. My pikin, if you want marry, you come look for me. Now lie, all those who are not there again, not just for me. The only thing I will just tell you, church, not just deceive yourself at all. Not just deceive yourself. Say maybe your pikin where you not take off. The pikin will come look for you. When I beg, all those one are just made it something now just long story for that one. Make you just write and say people they celebrate. Now make you just see say make I still write am. Not just wait for that one say they will reconnect o. Wetin they want reconnect for? Pikin wey you no take off now you wan come reconnect with you. Abeg my brother abi my sister, no just try that one. Now so my people, you know understand. Now that one be church he own. Well for Mercy Johnson. Sorry, no be Mercy Johnson. I want talk Mercy. I don't know why Mercy Johnson they enter my mouth. Maybe matter just they come for road. I never even know. Oh my God. Sorry, Mercy Johnson. Not be your name. Be why even talk now. Mercy Aigbe. Not be Mercy Aigbe as husband. Una see the screenshot everything what I put for here. Mercy Aigbe. Me I not see mistake for this one. Mercy Aigbe come ex-husband come even write and say happy Father's Day and happy Sunday to my good people all over the world. Any woman in the world that say happy Father's Day to herself should prepare to be paying for the children's school fees again. My people, and I see wetin this man right put for in Twitter. In the Instagram page. He say person. Oh, this man like your come funny part. Like say maybe he fail dey pay the school fees. He no fit dey pay the school fees. Now you wan come because your ex-wife come write and put for there. Now you wan come and say any woman wey claim to be father, now be say the person go ready to pay the school fees. Abeg, no be by today at all. Okay, see, okay, I don't see the Messi Agbe husband now. See as he be. The time we in with him wife dey that time. See as the man look. When me even see this picture, now I say, who can be this one? I don't even know say that he has husband because the one we me see now that time way two of them see the way they jolly together. See as the two of them fine. See as especially the man, see as the man fine that time. Now I can't even turn to 70 years old man sef. Maybe he never even reach like that. So you know say the time wey the woman dey take off e no know the value now wey the e no dey again now wey the wife no dey again na you know say because now only one go come take off himself maybe the all those sugar mommy sugar mommy wey still dey carry you come still give them you know say as the matter come even long my people well for that tonto dk ex husband no just think that one say your pikin go come reconnect wetin dey wan reconnect any man any woman wey no take off their children una no just think that one say na so my pikin go come back they no dey come back children are nowadays they no dey come back in and who take off the that one na dem go go meet no be this one wey you just dey talk for mouth so well e never late na make you just of go back go do the normal father for your son that is the only way wey your pikin go reconnect with you not just wait say 10 years coming the pikin go reconnect they no dey reconnect anything well my people make I leave una for here wetin una think about all these people make una leave una opinion I still remain your girl your friend your sister official sister tv bye till I come your way next